How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is I will show you first how to make a photo swipe. So to do that, just click on this plus icon on the bottom, and then from in there just choose this photo option from the options below, and then click on upload right here, then click on photos here again, and then just click on this select multiple right here. So let's click on it, and then just select from the options from in there. So just click on this icon, and then this for example, and then after that we can now click on this next. So when we click on the next, we can actually swipe it just like that. But if you don't do that and you can't do that on any videos that you have scrolled, and then I will show you how to fix that. So let's discard this first and then head back again to TikTok. And then once we're in here, let's click on our profile icon right there. And then from in there, just click on these three lines. And then from in there, click on settings and privacy. And then what you need to do next is to just scroll down until you can see this cache and cellular, and then just click on this free up space. Then from in there, just click on cache, so then clear it, then click on clear. And then also in here on the downloads, just click on clear again, and then click on clear. You can also clear your drafts, but it totally depends on you. And then you can now see if you can actually try photo swipe again on TikTok. However, if that doesn't fix your issue, what you can do next is to just long press TikTok, click on app info, and then from in there, just click on storage usage, click on clear data, and then clear the data of your TikTok. If you want to do this on your iOS or iPhone device, you can head over to your settings, scroll down until you can see general, click on iPhone storage, and then locate TikTok and then offload the app. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. If you have guys or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.